Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a template that's coded so your students can make their own pixel art. First of all, we need to resize the columns and the rows. So with the columns, first of all, highlight them all, right click, resize columns, and I'm going to do it as 60. Okay, and then while it's still highlighted, I will insert some more so your students have got more squares to colour in. Now we need to do the rows, so go all the way down. Same, right click, resize rows, and 60, so you get your square. There we are. Right, I go to the top. Okay, I'm just going to do 5 colours just to show you how it's done. So if I do some grids of 5 there, make sure the numbers are going to be big enough and are centered, because I like things that are centered. So, okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to highlight all of the squares to the right of those numbers because you do not want those numbers as part of the formula. So go all the way along. So there, that's fine. And then go to Format, Conditional Formatting. And with these, you put text exactly. So if I do 1, and I'm going to choose this colour, you need to change the colour of the text as well to the same colour you've chosen so that the numbers don't show when your children are creating their pixel art. That's done. And this is very, very easy. You just do the same. You just go down, adding different colours and doing the numbers. You could actually do it as, if you wanted to add part of literacy, do ABC. It's entirely up to you. Sorry about that. And then another one. So text is exactly, so that's number 4. And we'll have a red and red and exactly 5. So you can add as many as you would like. Okay, right, then we will go back to start, and then it should, you can close that so they can't actually see. So if I go into 1 there, if I go to 5, if I go to 4, once your children experiment, they'll be able to make, oh, I think I've got 2 the same colour. Yes. So all I need to do is go back to it and just change the colour. So if I change it to and then remember, you need to change the text as well. Okay, 2 and 3 and 4. So you get the general idea now. Your children should be able to create their own pixel art from that. I hope this video was useful.